It's the first time since I came that I just feel this vulnerable. When you look around, there's nothing but destruction. And in my mind, I'm saying, when? How? How is this going to clean up, much less fix up? There's so much garbage. There's so much debris, uprooted trees, and garbage. And then the houses, all the roofs are gone. Everybody stuff are ruined and just outside. Mattresses, furniture, clothes, food, car. It's like it gone. So when I do look around, I'm like, when the trees them going to turn green again? When? I know everything takes time, but why? My mind cannot conceive the when. I just can't conceive the when. When is it going to be sweet again, or nice again, livable again? When? Normal again? When? We can only pray. And we can only pray that people don't go nuts, that people can hold their sanity, and that people don't get depressed, because this is a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot to absorb. It's a lot to process. It's a lot to download. So for the first time, I feel totally overwhelmed. Not even when I just came was I as overwhelmed as I am now. It's like it's taken me a week for me to see that, no, it's not gonna change. No, like the more you clean, the more you throw stuff away, the more it look like you do nothing. Clean out the place and then real rainfall and it start all over. Everybody's moving around like ants. Everybody's moving around being busy, are waiting to see what they can get next. Not because they're looking for something for free, but it's like, when are they going to get something to put their lives back to normal? And it not there. It not there. Because every day me get up and me say, in my mind, me think it will fix today. No fix. No fix. I go to bed tired, wasted, confused. God bless the Jamaican people. Them I try hold it together. All of we are trying to hold it together. We are, but this is a lot. Black River, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover. It's a lot. I know how. But we can't make the spirit break, you know. We just can't.